In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a paper jam in Canon PIXMA TS3700 series printer. If your printer is getting the paper jam regularly, that means the roller needs to be cleaned. Now first step is to remove all the paper that is loaded here. We can try to take the paper out from here, it's already gone too much in, but we can slide it out. Or we can go to the front where we can see the paper. We can also try to take it out from here. So that's the both sides we can use it. Once the jam is cleared, you can go to the printer display panel and click on the stop button. Printer will make some noise and now it's ready. To do the roller cleaning, go to your smartphone, open the Canon print app, make sure your printer is connected here, click on the printer icon, click on the utilities, here we get the option that is roller cleaning. We also have the option bottom plate cleaning. We can do both. So let's do the roller cleaning. Click yes. We have already removed the paper, so press OK. Next step is to add some paper. So we need at least 3 pages loaded there. Load it, press OK on the display screen once you load it, and then press OK here. So roller cleaning is done, press OK. This way we can prevent the paper jam that is happening again and again while cleaning the roller. Thanks for watching.